Hey beautiful people, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make homemade hair serum for intensely soft, smooth and straight hair. This hair serum will also fight frizz and dryness and will leave your hair more manageable and beautiful. So let's find out what are the ingredients that you need to prepare this homemade hair serum. So take a bowl and add around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So here I am using organic cold pressed coconut oil. The lauric acid in coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, nourishes your hair, leaving it smoother and straighter, and it also helps fight frizz and split ends. Next thing that I'm going to add is around 2 tablespoons of castor oil. So here I'm using organic cold pressed castor oil. Castor oil is one of the best oil for straightening and smoothing curly hair. So the next thing that I'm going to add is avocado oil. In case if you don't have avocado oil, you can also use vitamin E oil or sweet almond oil. So add around 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Avocado is great for dry and rough hair. It minimizes breakage and conditions your hair. Now the final ingredients that you need is lavender essential oil and rose essential oil. So first I'm going to add lavender essential oil. So add around 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil and 3 to 4 drops of rose essential oil. In case if you don't have rose essential oil, you can also use rosemary essential oil. So these two essential oils improves your hair texture and reduce hair breakage, and also these essential oils gives a nice smell to your hair. They relaxes your mind and also relieves stress. So combine all the ingredients together and transfer into a clean bottle. Now I'll show you the right way to use this hair serum to get best results. So shampoo and condition your hair as usual. Do not towel dry your hair before you apply serum, because hair experts say that it's best to apply hair serum directly to wet hair. Take 1 to 2 drops of serum on your palm. Rub the serum between your palms well and then evenly distribute onto the midsection and ends of your hair. Be careful not to use too much serum because it can make your hair greasy and heavy. Add more serum if needed, but you have to be very careful not to over apply serum. Then comb and style your hair normally. This serum will reduce frizz, it will add shine, flexibility and will strengthen your hair. It will also make your hair more manageable, full, straight and smooth. So give it a try, and I'm sure you're gonna love the way your hair smells and it looks. And I'm sure you'll fall in love with your hair again. So give it a try and share your results with me. Thanks everyone. For more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye.